Show me your resume first.
So I shared you on WhatsApp.
Kalyani, share your screen and show me your resume.
Sorry, sir. I actually joined.
Uh,
I have joined. I'm audible, sir.
yeah.
So I have joined on mobile meeting. So I
So
don't
in real interview also you are going to join through mobiles?
know, sir.
Hmm? Okay, turn on your camera. Okay, so already you have shared here also, right? 1 second.
Yes, sir.
So SAP skill set you have mentioned, directly academic you have mentioned. Okay, summary. Okay, so okay, all things are fine as a fresher, but just I will suggest you, just that whatever the SAP skill set is there, I already told you. In SAP knowledge, one section should be there. Suppose experience, students will mention, I have experience on. So you should mention, I have knowledge of. Okay, I have knowledge of account payable, I have knowledge of account receivable, I know the baseline configurations. Okay, so explain this in detail, little bit detail. And in your like photo, mention or like a what we can say, upload the passport size photo. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So we will start with your introduction. Tell me about yourself.
First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kalyani Jadhav. I am from Pune. I completed my Bachelor of Commerce in 2023 and recently completed my Master of Commerce in 2025.
So look at
Both
camera,
from
Kalyani. Look at camera.
Savitribai Phule Pune University. I have also knowledge and hands-on working with SAP S/4HANA, which has given me good understanding of real-time business process, including key models such as assets accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, and general ledger, and also knowledge data migration and SAP and Activate methodology, and basic knowledge Excel sheet, Microsoft Excel, and PowerPoint. That's all about me. Once again, thank you for your time and consideration.
Okay, as a SAP FICO fresher, what are your expertise area?
Sir, accounts receivable, accounts payable, and also assets accounting and automatic payment payment.
So just tell me, what is the difference between consultant, support consultant, and end user? What is meant by
Uh, sir,
consultant,
uh,
end user, support consultant?
sir, support consultant is provide करता है. Sorry, support consultant provides support for end user, and end user basic configuration.
See, consultant is responsible for the projects like implementation, rollout project, okay, migration projects. And support consultant, whenever that project will be completed, implementation projects will be completed, then support consultant will provide support to the end users. And what is meant by end user? End user is responsible for day-to-day life transactions like your invoicing processing, billing processing, P2P cycle execution, O2C cycle creation, execution, sorry, okay, master data creations. Okay, that will be handled by the end users. And whatever the challenges faced by the end user, that will be handled by the support consultant. And consultant is responsible for implementation, okay, to design the system. What is meant by implementation, Kalyani?
So implementation means start of new and fresh project in company.
Okay, could you explain with example?
Some company start of new SAP. Uh,
Implementation means suppose some business is using non-SAP system and they want to implement SAP system, okay, or they want to come on SAP system, that called as implementation. It also called as a greenfield implementation project. Okay. So, okay, that is fine. So you told your expertise area, like in SAP, account payable, account receivable. Okay. So is account payable, miss, just explain me what is account payable.
Sir, accounts payable it helps to vendor transaction and track payment status.
Okay. So account payables mainly deal with the suppliers. Okay. Procurement. Okay, fine. So what is a procurement? What is a P2P cycle?
I am not able to recall
Okay,
this
P2P
one.
cycle has been completed in your syllabus or not?
Not yet.
P2P cycle is not there?
No.
Okay. So what is the non-PO based invoices?
Can you repeat, sir?
Non-PO based invoices.
Sorry, sir.
What is the O2C cycle? Order to cash cycle.
So there is no syllabus.
Hmm? Suppose some materials are there in your industry and you want to sell that. So what will be the process? Okay, that is fine. You told account automatic payment program. So what is automatic account program?
So it is a feature in SAP FICO for process automatic vendor or customer payment.
Tell me the configuration process steps, how the configuration will be performed in the system, how the process steps will be executed in the system.
Okay. Firstly, go to FPZP and then all company code, define paying company code, and then payment method for uh, country, payment method for company code, and then bank determination, house bank, and form.
And how to execute payment process, means how to execute that APP program.
Then we execute F110.
What is T code?
F110.
F110. Okay, fine. Okay. Suppose, have you learned company code creation in your training? Company
Yes,
code
sir.
creation. So what are the configurations are there in company code? What are the baseline configurations are there?
Okay. Firstly, create a company, then define company code and assign company code to company. Then define business area and physical year. Then define physical year. Assign physical year variant. Define posting period and assign posting period variant. And define open and closing posting period. And then field status, assign field status and chart of account.
Come again?
Create company, then define company code, assign company code to company, and then define business area, then Define physical year variance, assign physical year variance, then define posting period, uh, define assign posting period variance, then open and closing posting period, then field status variant and assign field status variant, and then chart of account.
What is a fiscal year variant?
Physical year variant means how the financial year structure into posting period.
What is a fiscal year variant? What is a fiscal year variant?
Sorry, sir.
What is a posting period variant?
The posting period variance it helps to identify. Sorry.
Are you sure P2P cycle, O2C cycle has not conducted in your syllabus?
Yes, sir.
Not conducted, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me check with Parag sir. Then what is a business partner? Tell me, what are the master data are there in SAP in your FICO?
Master data means like a GL master, vendor master, and customer master.
Yes, again, master data.
Where we can fill journal data like a GL master, customer master, and vendor master.
Vendor master, GL accounts, and then
Customer master.
customer master. So, what is a business partner?
Business partner is an entity like a person, group, and organization with which your company business has interest.
Okay, okay, that is fine. So, do you know business partner configurations?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, explain me.
Define business partner role, then define number range, then define grouping and assign number range, then fill grouping and screen layout, and then integration business customer to vendor.
What is a T code to create business partner?
BP and also XD02 and XK01.
Okay. So could you tell me, it's whatever version you studied, that was ECC or like S4HANA?
Can you repeat, sir?
Whatever version, ECC or S4HANA?
Yes, for Anna.
Okay. So do you know about ECC? Could
No,
you tell me that business partner was present in ECC or not?
no, sir.
It was present. It was there. It was
It is present in S4HANA, not in ECC, directly ECC.
correct. So it was not in ECC, and ECC separate vendor and customer was there. Okay, fine. Okay, that is fine. One second. Do you have knowledge on a tax procedure?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what is a tax procedure?
The tax procedure is defined each country. It's identify. It helps to identify which is the input and output tax.
What are the configuration steps?
Define tax procedure, assign country region to tax procedure, then define define tax code for sales and purchase, and then assign non-taxable transaction, then create GL master, and then link between account key with GL account, and then invoice.
Okay. So could you explain me uh, do you have any knowledge on controlling?
So I have basic knowledge.
Yeah, tell me whatever you know.
I know cost elements, primary cost, secondary cost, and their configuration.
What is the cost center?
Cost center is classify revenue and expenses.
Cost center concept.
It helps to revenue and cost for internal order.
Okay. One second. What is a field status variant? Field status variant.
Field status variant is a helps to control field, like which field is a suppressed, which is a optional, and which is a required.
What?
Field status variant is a control field, like which field is a required, which is a suppressed, and which is a required, optional.
Where?
And field status thing, I don't remember that before.
What exactly means? How you are going to manage the behavior of the fields? Okay, fine. Do you know GRIR clearing account?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the GRIR clearing account?
It helps to adjusted GR and IR amount.
Hmm. Yes. So just tell me what are the important reports are there in your FICO?
Can you repeat, sir?
What are the important reports are there in your FICO?
Reports like invoice,
Hmm.
uh, payment, uh, payment invoices,
Hmm.
and also GL master.
Okay, this is not a report. Report in the sense, for example, your FBL1N, suppose your
Okay, okay,
NQZ, Okay, that is a report where you are getting the list of the particular master data or list of the transactional data or the information on the transactional data. So that is nothing but your reports.
Okay.
So tell me the T codes that you know.
FBL1N for vendor master, FBL3N for customer master, and FBL5N for GL master.
Okay. So just tell me what are the important month-end activities are there from FICO?
Day-to-day transition like invoice posting, outgoing payment, GL entries.
What?
Sorry.
What is accounting reconciliation?
Account reconciliation is a general ledger account and that reflects automatically balance from sub-ledger account.
Okay. Hmm. Fine. Okay. So just tell me the your syllabus that you learn in this training.
So I learn basic configuration like accounts payable, dunning, tax procedure, and cash journal.
What? Tell me again.
I learn accounts payable configuration and accounts payable automatic payment program, cash journal, and dunning.
Okay. So could you tell me what is the FIMM integration, FISD integration? Is it done? Because just I asking to Parag sir, so this topic is done or not? He is saying it is already done.
But I am for this basic course.
What? What?
I am purchasing also basic course, so that is not in there.
So what is your batch code?
Can I repeat?
In which batch you are there? 17 March. Okay.
Yes.
Could you join from laptop if it is possible? Could you join from laptop?
Sir, my laptop camera issue, so I.
No, no, camera that is okay. I want to check like what are the syllabus or what are the things are covered. That's why.
Yes, sir.
So join it and share your screen, laptop screen.
Okay.
Kalini, are you sharing? I'm waiting.
Yes, sir. It's 2 minutes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, I have some network issues, so
How much time it will take?
So is it visible?
Yes, it is visible. So show me the syllabus for. This is the documents given by Parag sir, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Kalyani, what I will suggest you say, your communication is very good. Okay, confidence is very good, no doubt. Thing is that technically, so see, as a fresher, so this detailed things nobody will ask you, but at least what is a P2P, what is the O2C, what are the invoicing processes, okay, what are the baseline configuration, what are the baseline configuration for company code. This thing you should know. Listening,
Yes.
got it? So based on this, easily you will get a job. But at least this the fundamental things you should know. Okay, what is the R2R process? What are the important reports? These basic fundamentals you should have. What is the journal entries? What is the accounting means? That is what is the accounting means. What are the processes? Fundamental things. Okay, as a entry level, this is a mandatory. Now in your resume, so don't only mention that skill set below skill set, that knowledge you have. Okay, show that you
Okay.
know you have that knowledge. Passport size photo should be there. Okay, okay, and same photo it should be reflected on a LinkedIn and it should be reflected on Naukri.com profile. Open LinkedIn profile, and for any interview you should not connect from mobile. Whatever you have. Increase connection. Okay, increase connections. Scroll down. Where is SAP skill set? Where is SAP? SAP FICO. Okay, that is fine. Roll up, roll up. That is fine. Show me Naukri profile.
Naukri profile is still not active.
So create it and share me the password. Okay, login ID and password. So whatever the things I told you, so focus on that. Okay. So when you are prepared, I will refer in Accenture and Infosys.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever the points I told, focus on that. Here, profile photo should be passport size, not like this. Resume, it should be same. On Naukri.com, it should be same. You can create through AI tools. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. ठीक है. So, okay, when you are replying me, this points is prepare on like a.
Vacancy and skill set.
Okay, take your time and update. Then we will initially we will like a what apply first Accenture having the vacancy. Just I have to for fresher it is vacancy. I will also show you.
Okay.
Many vacancies are there. So getting placement that is not problem. Problem is like a preparation. Accenture just record to report with SAP. Order to cash. This is for SAP. SAP O2C. Okay, so that's why I was asking question on O2C cycle, order to cash cycle, because there is a one vacancy for O2C operation associate, that is the FICO support consultant. Okay, support will be there. Even this is for 0 to 1. Many another vacancy is also there. So this I am showing for Accenture 0 to 2, 0 to 2, 0 to 2, 0 to 2, 0 to 5 to 2. So for 0 to 2, I will refer you. But those things you should have good knowledge.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I will stop it. Bye. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.